Here's how to save $500 a month using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. From here, I want you to type this in. I'm going to paste it. I'll also leave it in the first comment. Act like a personal finance expert. Help me review my expenses and find ways to cut at least $500 a month. I'll give you my monthly spending. And then below here, I want you to put in your rent, gas, food, all of your expenses, and let ChatGPT start the process. Boom, ChatGPT sorts it fast, finds waste, suggests cheaper options, points out what to cancel, and even gives you a weekly plan. You'll see things like cut Uber Eats, save $65, switch car insurance, save $95, cancel unused subscriptions, save $90. Try it, run your numbers, and then leave a comment down below and let me know how much you saved. Hit that like button and follow for more tech hacks that make life easier.